somewhere along the way, life became crowded. Not just with things, but with expectations, noise, urgency, and endless comparison. We filled our days with more choices, more goals, more distractions, believing that more would finally make us feel complete. But strangely, the more we gained, the heavier life began to feel. And in that quiet discomfort, something powerful was forgotten. Modern life promises efficiency, comfort, and abundance, and in many ways, it delivers. Yet beneath the surface, many people feel tired, not physically, but mentally. Tired of decisions, tired of constant stimulation, tired of chasing a sense of enough that never quite arrives. We rarely stop to ask a simple question. What if the problem isn't that we have too little, but that we carry too much? Simplicity is often misunderstood. It's not poverty, it's not restriction, it's not rejecting the modern world. A simple life is not about having nothing. It's about having room to think, room to breathe, room to notice what actually matters. When life becomes simpler, attention returns, and attention is where meaning lives. Much of what burdens us is invisible. Unnecessary commitments, endless scrolling, comparisons we never agreed to play, goals borrowed from other people's lives. Each one seems small. Together they create constant tension. Simplicity gently removes this weight, not all at once, but gradually. And in that lightness, something unexpected happens. We begin to feel present again. Most people don't feel unhappy all the time. They feel restless. A low-level tension follows them through the day. Even during moments meant for rest, the mind stays busy, planning, comparing, worrying. We call this normal, but normal does not mean healthy. Modern life slowly turns existence into a checklist. Wake up, respond, produce, consume, repeat. There is always something waiting, another message, another responsibility, another expectation. Rest becomes something we schedule, instead of something we feel. And when rest no longer feels natural, something is wrong. We assume that busyness means movement. If we are constantly doing something, we must be going somewhere. But motion without direction is not progress, it is drift. Days pass quickly, yet nothing feels finished. Weeks blur together, yet the sense of fulfillment never arrives. We are moving fast, just not toward ourselves. People often say they don't have enough time. But time is not what's missing. What's missing is space. Space to reflect, space to notice, space to exist without performance. When every moment is filled, nothing is absorbed. Life becomes something we pass through, not something we inhabit. One reason simplicity feels difficult is fear. The fear that less means falling behind, that slowing down means becoming irrelevant, that choosing fewer things means choosing the wrong ones. But these fears come from a world that measures worth externally. They are learned, not true. When we treat everything as urgent, we lose the ability to recognize what is essential. Important things require slowness, relationships, insight, peace, understanding. They cannot survive constant interruption. They fade quietly, not dramatically. Simplicity does not arrive with force. It arrives as relief. A moment when you remove something unnecessary and feel lighter. A moment when you say no and nothing breaks. A moment when silence feels safe again. These moments are small, but they carry something we've been missing. The forgotten power of a simple life is not that it gives us more. It reminds us what we no longer need.